Good morning, children. Welcome to Sri Veda, the Universe School. How are you doing? Have you completed your homework? Very good. Then, today we are going to learn smart tables and charts. Okay? Yesterday you have completed tally, max, and pictorial representation, right? Very good. Today we'll gather some information and we have represented in a pictorial form, and also we should get answers from that. Okay? That is what we have. They have given the same table in page number 4545 course book. In course book 4545 they have given one tabular form. Okay, the same thing I have drawn here. Okay, you can check the book after the explanation. Okay, then see what is the data they have given about apples. Okay, so the different types of apples they have given here. Okay, what are the different types of apples? Red delicious, golden delicious, red Rome. Can you read it? Shimla, Kashmiri. These are the different types of apples, right? Okay. The different types of apples they have arranged in a table. Okay, in one column. And what is the other side? So in a pictorial representation they have drawn pictures. Okay, see, 3 pictures here, 3, and this is a like different apple. So they have represented it. Then what is here? The heading they have given varieties of apples. So just by looking at the table, okay, types of apples. These are the different types. These are the apples. Then what is the bottom of this table? Apple. 10 apples means it's 5. So they have given a key for us. They have given a key for us means these 3 apples means each apple has 10 apples. Each apple is equal to 10 apples. They are mentioning here. So this is what key. Okay. By using this key only, we use this to solve the questions. Okay. So key, that's why I have written here how to represent the pictorial representation. We have to remember these. Okay. First one should be title. I have written here. Title, whatever it may be, this is the information which is related to the types of apples. If you are giving your marks, student marks. If you are giving school data, whatever it may be, the title should be the first line. Okay, then the next we have separated into rows and columns. Then here we have given types, different types. For example, if we take a marks, subjects you will take here, right? Like that. Okay. Then for example, if you want to take any other flavors of ice cream, okay, flavors of ice cream will give the title. Okay, here what will give? Different flavors, types of flavors, chocolate flavor, mango flavor, strawberry flavor, like that. Whatever it may be, types we should be arranged in a rows and columns. Okay, title should be in the first line of the box. Okay, here title, next types. The last bottom of the line, bottom of the table should be mentioned with the key. Here we are mentioning something. Means red delicious means 3 apples. No, something key is there. So that's why the full apple means each apple consists of 10 apples. We should keep that in a mind. Then we can count like that. Okay. Then this is a half apple. Half apple means 5. Half apple means 5 apples. Okay, we should remember the key. Then, now I'll ask a question. Okay, how many red delicious apples are there? How many red delicious apples are there? 3 apples, ma'am. Is it right? No, that is not right. We should remember the key. Each apple equals to, one apple equals to 10 apples. 1 apple equals to 10 apples. Then remember like that. So 10. This one more apple equals to 10. 10. 10 plus 10 equals to 30. So we have 30 red delicious apples are there. Okay. Otherwise, repeated addition. Instead of doing repeated addition, of course these are the 3 apples. For example, 10, 12, 15 apples. How you will do? 15 times you will add the 10 plus 10 plus 10. No, multiplication. 10 into 15. 10 into 3. 3 into 10, whatever it may be. Okay. Then, so here 30. Then golden delicious apples. How many? 2 full apples, 1 half apple. In the key, 1 apple equals to 10 apples. So 10 apples. Another 10 apples. How many? 10 plus 10? 20. Half apple means 5 apples. So it means 5. 20 plus 5. 25. So like that we have to calculate all the data. Just using the, just by remembering the key what they have given in the bottom of the table. Clear? The same thing they have given. Like this only we have to represent whatever it may be the data. Okay? In the future classes you are going to represent the data. They have given some data. You have to draw the pictures for this data using this key, title, types. Okay? Clear? Then one more question. How many Shimla apples are there? 10, 10, 2. 2 into 10. 20. Good. Then, how many red Roma apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one apple equals to 10. Then 4 apples equals to 4 into 10. 40. Good. Then next, Kashmiri. How many Kashmiri apples are there? 1, 2, 3. This is not the full apple. 3 means 30. 3 into 10 is 30. Plus 5. 35. So, like this we have to do the problems. Okay? Clear? Then just by using this. If you didn't understand, just listen once again to the video. Then after you have to do the homework. Workbook page number 38. Okay? In page number 38, can you open page number 38? Workbook page number 38. See, they have given some data, some information they have given in this. Okay, Sanjay, 8,000 rupees. Come and open it. Just pause the video, take your workbook, then start the video. Okay? Then, Sanjay, 8,000. John, 7,000. Anwar, 9,000. Sindhu, 6,000. Okay? They have such amount of money. Then what is the question? Use this information to complete the pictograph below and answer the questions that follow. Okay? First you have to complete the box. What is the question? Names. Names they have given the same way how I told. The same way they have arranged the data. Money collected is a title. Right? See. Persons. Different persons are there. That is what types here we have mentioned with the types. Here different persons. Sanjay, John, Anwar, Sindhu. Then Sanjay. How much money? Sanjay has 8,000 rupees. And how you will represent? Yes, using key we have to represent, right? Then what is the key? Yes, see here, key. Each 1 rupee equals to 1,000. 1 rupee equals to 1,000. 1 rupee equals to 1,000. Okay, then 2 rupee equals to 2 into 1,000. 2,000. 3 rupee equals to 3 into 1,000. 3,000. 4 rupee equals to 4 into 1,000. 4,000. Then Sanjay has 8,000 rupees. Okay, then 8,000. 8 into 1,000. So 8 1 rupee coins you have to draw for Sanjay. 8 1 rupee coins is enough for Sanjay box. Clear? Then John. John, 7,000 rupees. 7,000 rupees. So how many 1 rupee coins you have to draw? 7,000 rupees. 2,000 means 2 coins. 4,000 means 4 coins. 7,000 means such type of 7 coins you have to draw in this box. Clear? Like this only you have to draw Anwar, Sindhu. Oh, okay. After that they have asked 3 questions. Just first complete the table. Just read the questions carefully and write the answers. The questions are from the table only. Just know how we solve it like this. Okay. Then fill the answers. Clear? I hope you understood. If you did, no problem. Once again listen to the video. Okay. Then start doing the homework. Have a nice day. Thank you.